Letters, letters, letters have names. What is the name of this letter? If we pull down straight, push up, and then curve forward, what's that? R, 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 R. R is the name of this letter. This is our little r or our lowercase r. If we want to draw our big R or uppercase R, we would pull down straight, lift, slide right, curve forward, slide left, and then slant right. But what about the sound? Letters, letters, letters make sounds. What is the sound of this letter? Yes, is the sound of this letter. Like at the beginning of the word rabbit or run.